How to use the Safe Home PFAS and Drinking Water Test Kit. When you're ready to collect your water sample, begin by scanning the QR code on your chain of custody. Follow the prompts to register your water sample and pay the required lab testing fee. Without this online registration and payment, we won't be able to process your sample. After completing the online registration, fill out your information on the chain of custody. You're now ready to collect your water sample. Turn on the cold water faucet and allow it to run for 5 minutes. While the water is running, use a smear-proof pen or permanent marker to write the requested information on the bottle label. After 5 minutes, reduce the flow so that the stream of water is about the diameter of a pencil. Carefully fill your bottle to the 250 milliliter mark. Once you've filled your sample bottle, screw the cap firmly back onto the bottle, but avoid over-tightening it. Gently shake the bottle to make sure it's not leaking. If you notice any leaking, reapply the lid. Continue this process until the bottle does not leak. To package your sample, trim the completed chain of custody along the dotted line. Fold the form and place it inside the plastic bag. Then seal the bag. Place the filled sample bottle inside the return shipping box and lay the sealed bag containing your chain of custody on top of the bottle. Close the box and seal it securely with packing tape. You're now ready to prepare your sample for shipping. We recommend shipping your sample during the first half of the week, since our laboratory doesn't accept shipments on weekends. Based on your geographical proximity to our laboratory, your water sample might take several days to arrive. Please plan your shipping accordingly. For the most reliable delivery, we also recommend shipping with either UPS or FedEx to help avoid delays. Finally, ship the box to the address listed on the instructions, and be sure to record your tracking number for your records. Thank you for choosing Safe Home for your water testing needs.